Hey fam, today I'll show you how I redid the thumbnail for Cenat. First, I cropped all the people from the background and arranged them in the composition. Next,
It's Random User.
I added a background and started color grading the characters. After processing the characters, my favorite stage begins with the addition of counter light.
It's Random User.
At the end, I add text, small details and final color correction. If you want the same thumbnail, write to me on Instagram or email.